What if we told you that the future isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's powered by generative AI? In the realm of creative content production, generative AI is making waves. Take the case of OpenAI's language model, GPT-3. It's crafting everything from poetry to full-length articles, offering a new perspective on creativity. It's even penning scripts for video games, creating immersive and dynamic narratives that engage players on a whole new level. Now, let's shift gears and look at the healthcare industry. From predicting patient health outcomes to developing personalized treatment plans, generative AI is revolutionizing patient care. For instance, Google's DeepMind AI predicted protein structures in the 2020 CASPU competition, a task once thought impossible for machines. This breakthrough could speed up the development of new treatments for diseases, demonstrating how generative AI is not just enhancing efficiency, but also serving as a strategic asset for innovation. In financial services, generative AI is redefining market strategies. It's aiding in portfolio management, risk assessment, and even predicting market trends. For example, JP Chase uses generative AI for LOXM, a trading program that executes trades at maximum speed at the best prices. The manufacturer